Hello guys, and welcome back to Medellin, Colombia. I'm here Parque Lleras. Today is February 10th, about 9:30 a.m. 70 degrees or 21 Celsius. I want to give you an update about the construction here in the park. They've been doing construction for the last about year and a half, and I came back after 2 months to see what's going on, how they progress. So let's check it out. Now this is a very popular place to have drinks in the evening, because you're right here, you got front real estate right in front of the statue where you're going to get all kinds of women to kind of wink at you and say hello. As you can see, they've progressed quite a bit. They've got all the pipes buried. There's still some work going on. And they're still working right here. All right, so they're still working on the park here. That's Discoteca Gusto up there on the second, third level. Anyway, it looks a lot better than 2 months ago when I was here. All right, Parque Lleras, still construction going on here, February 10th. All right, so Parque Lleras, still construction going on here. Today, February 10th, Friday. So this is the Charlie Hotel here, pretty much in front of Parque Lleras. And right over here you have the famous Juan Valdez coffee and the construction that's going on here in the park. Who knows when they'll be finished.